Hello, namaste, namaskaram, adab, vanakkam. Welcome to my kitchen, Bachelor's Bawarsi Kitchen. As a part of Kebabs Week, today we are going to prepare veg shami kebab. So this is prepared from the chickpeas. So if you are interested in this recipe, please stay tuned for my recipe and watch until the end. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my recipes. And don't forget to click on the bell icon. So let's look into the ingredients, what all we require for making this veg shami kebab. So to make veg shami kebab, we need chickpeas. This is the main ingredient. For this I have soaked chickpeas overnight. Now it's time to cook them in the pressure cooker for almost 6 whistles. So let's put it in the pressure cooker. I'm adding all these chickpeas into the pressure cooker. To this I'm adding 2 red chilies, couple of green chilies, few garlic cloves, small piece of ginger, one small opened cardamom, and few cloves. Add required amount of water. Put the lid down and on the stove and cook it for at least 6 whistles. Okay, it's been 6 whistles now. I have taken it out from the cooker. Right now I'll take it into a mixie jar and I'm gonna make a nice paste of it. Okay, I have been nicely pasted it. Into this I'm gonna add 1/4 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1/4 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1/8 tablespoon of garam masala, 1/4 tablespoon of chili powder. Chili powder I'm taking half, you can take half, and required amount of salt, and 1/4 tablespoon of chaat masala. Give it a nice mix for the complete mixture. Just for binding purpose, I'm adding couple of breadcrumbs. Not too much, just couple of breadcrumbs. So this gives a binding and a crispiness to the kebabs which we're gonna prepare now. Just give a nice mix. Okay, once we have nicely mixed our mixture, in this way we are gonna make our patties. So now these patties are gonna get shallow fried in a grill pan. So now let's shallow fry them. So if you see here, I have taken grill pan. In the grill pan, I have taken oil, and already it's heated. So we're gonna place our patties gently into this. Just cook on each side for at least 5 minutes, so it's nicely cooked. So with the help of a spatula or something, you can slowly turn it upside down. Be careful, it's very delicate. So this is how we are gonna fry on both the sides. Fry at least for 5 minutes on each the sides and off the stove and take it on a plate. So there you go, our veg shami kebabs are ready. So if you like my recipe, Please do subscribe my channel, like my recipes. Don't forget to click on my bell icon. Let's wait for tomorrow with a new different kebab recipe. Until then, bye bye, Khuda Hafiz.